My bad. Hey, what's up? What's going on? I had some technical difficulties over here. Sorry about that. Uh, but I'm glad I kind of waited a little bit because as you see on my screen here, I got the trading view. Charts up here, and then here's bitconnect. Number one. Number two is Bitstamp, and number three is Coinbase, and then number four is the Bitcoin futures over there at BitMEX. Okay, so now look here's the deal. One of these is a 5-minute chart, which is this one right here, and I got some Bollinger Bands up. Take a look at these Bollinger Bands in the RSI. I adjusted my RSI levels. I just readjusted these from one. The top is 80. It went from 70. This line used to be drawn at 70, but I found that to be annoying when determining whether it's turning around. Like, you know, like right here, you see how it turned around right there? Notice back here on these back levels back here, this turnaround was a lot deeper, especially like right here. And that's kind of like how I want to play it as far as my eyes go. If the thing gets all the way down there, I'm pretty sure we're going to see a little bit of upside from 14.9, between 14.9 and 13. That's about $1,000 upside right here. So right now, and this is a 5-minute chart, what are we looking at? I mean, that's the question, right? I mean, obviously we just broke previous support, which is right here. You can see that we broke that support, but this is a minute chart right here. Okay, and here, back here, okay, let me see if I can pull it down some. We need to bypass this part right here, this $1,300 level, in my opinion. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. Whenever I haven't seen it do this in a while, like it broke from right here, just like how many minutes ago was that? It just broke from right here really fast, and I'm like, wow. And then it just recovered really fast, but it bypassed where it broke out of. It was sitting here consolidating, couldn't do anything, and then all of a sudden it goes down here, comes back up, and breaks down all the way down. This is a 5-minute chart, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. This is an hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Another hour. 2 hours. All right. Could have made money going down and up. Very difficult. Sitting in this consolidation area only to find a breakdown and then continue to the upside will throw you off your game. Okay? I don't care what kind of trader you are. You know, you'll think this is going back up from here, right where this yellow 100 moving day average is. 100 period moving average. Okay, this is the yellow line right here. It's 100 periods. You guys want to see what that looks like? It looks like this: 100 close, offset, yellow, thicker. That's great. All right, now look, Bollinger Bands. I got 2 of them on here. I got one in the middle, and they're like standard deviation bands, but they go with the moving averages over here. One's 20, the other one's 20. One's 2 standard deviations, and the other one's 3 standard deviations. So what you get is right here down the middle is the deviation level, what they call a point of control. And what happens is, you know, this is pretty much where it's neutral. So to go up here and it'll come back, come down, come back to this level, come down, always come back to this red line. And if it comes up here, guess what it's going to do? It's going to come back down to this red line. Might go under it, might not go under the red line. I look at it.
I would appreciate it next time you just turn the TV off instead of acting like a jerk when I'm on the phone.
Sorry about that. Back at this is live. Just had some stuff going on over here. That's all. My son was actually looking at something he shouldn't see. Now let me look at this. Monkins, what's up, man? I'm just been looking through the trends for my coins on number 2. The downturn of BTC has caused a lot of coins to flatten out recently instead of trending on their previous gradient. Number 3. If you look at SALT on 4-hour candles, I think it's now time to buy. SALT. You know, Ripple is over on top of, as far as this coin count goes, you get this circulating supply out of here. That's kind of like misleading and make you think, you know, oh, there's less coins. Actually, if you take a look at how many Ripples there are out there, even though they're burning them, I mean, in the long run, I just wonder why this Ripple price is so high right now. I just can't believe it. I just think that people are putting their money into it. I think people are putting their money into Ripple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to look at market cap by total supply instead of by circulating supply and get a good picture. Total supply is like 100 billion Ripple coins. I know you want to look at SALT, but this was just above Bitcoin. This was just like 200 and like 300 and I think like 250 billion. So between Bitcoin and Ripple, all I can say is that money left Bitcoin and went right into Ripple. Now they can tell me the banks did that all they want to. That means the banks were inside of Bitcoin. Am I right? All right, let's go look at SALT. I don't know what to say. All right, let's go look at SALT because I want to see. I've been hearing a lot about SALT. I know it's on an exchange called Liquidity, where it does the most volume. It's the most liquid on Liquidity right here. This used to be the only exchange with it. They put it on Binance, great. And it's on Bitrex, great. Huobi, that's great too. But looking at these two right here, you got the most, 40% recently. What's the price? I mean, $12. All right, let's go check out. Let me go to the trading view chart. Let me pull this down here. Error on the page. Come on, Salt USD. Come on. Come on. Got to be kidding me. Paste. Nope. No USD. It's only Salt Bitcoin. I was hoping they would do a let's go to Binance. BTC, I'm sorry. All right, let's go. Coin supply is 120 million. Circulating supply is 56 million. So about close to half of that. So Salt should be on this chart right here. Let me look at this. Look at this. Oh, whoa. Pow. I mean, what's that? That's not that much, but it probably is. I really can't do Bitcoin conversions in my head yet. I mean, one day somebody will, I think you gotta be like a genius to do that. 12.8, that's crazy, right? Salt 0.00966650. That's about $124 for Salt. No, I'm sorry, I missed a zero. I was wondering, like, geez, $12. So down here was at 0008. 888. Let's do 88. Let's see what. That's about $1 to about $2. It's been fluctuating. If you put $1,000 in there, you probably can get you a good percentage or two. What's the percentages looking like? -4. So that'll be like $40 up here. I'm just saying that might not, that's kind of how I read it. 8%. No, that's about $80 from here to here. So from here to here is about $160. That's how I would read that for every $1,000. Play about $80 to $120 in between here and there. If you get in right here and sell up here, you can get the whole 160, 140, whatever. Looks pretty good. Salt has a lot of potential. Get rid of this. Okay, so we're looking for this to break out this resistance zone right here. Here's a resistance zone right here. It already broke out. Here's another one. We're going to be headed to the upside if it breaks out of here. All right, and I'm going to be happy because I'm telling you, I got a lot invested in Bitcoin, and everybody is like in the news. I don't know if it's the news, but I'm pretty sure people are saying. Let me look at my chat. I'm pretty sure people are saying Bitcoin is going to zero. Everybody's going to Ripple. Let's look at Salt on a 4-hour candle. All right. Now let's look at Bitrex. Bitrex 4-hour candle. All right, I didn't look at the 4 hours. Sorry. Boom, 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 boom. It's gonna be bought right here. Bought right here. This is the 50. This right here is the 50. 50 moving average, 50 day, 50 period moving average, however you want to. 50 candle moving average. All right, that's the real way we should say it. 50 candle moving average is telling us buy on it. Boom, buy on it. So yes, it's a buy. Yeah, Monkins, yeah, it's a buy for sure. If it comes back down here, it's even more of a buy. All right, yeah, That's definite. If it comes and crashes below that, I would say wait until it bounces off the yellow line, right? Or if it comes back up and through the 50, then buy even more. Now let's get back into the BTC zone. I don't know what to say about all these other, because I'm not trading anything else right now but Bitcoin. And I'm watching and monitoring the price. Now this is Bitcoin on a 4-hour candle. All right. And it's just like, this is a tremendous, it's like the last time you see a candle like this was over here, right? No, it came back down. Actually, this is an indecision. Like, this was equal. Like, to see this go like this and then turn red again, this is where you would have sold, because that's a normal trader like myself would have sold right here, and then only to move up. So you got to understand who's playing this game. People that know how to trade are playing this game against people that think they know how to trade. I think that I know how to trade, but the problem with the people that do know how to trade is they have like billions of dollars. I would just say this is a $1 billion candle right here to make it move against anyone who thinks that is going to be sold down from right here. They were like, oh yeah, look at that, we're going to make it look, I don't know if they made it look like that, but it looks like it's going to get sold down. So what they do the opposite. Okay. And that's what we're learning on my channel, is how to, okay, we're learning how to trade with the billionaires, okay, with the whale pool. That's why I'm making this video. And people that watch my video, they're gonna learn with me, all right, because we know how difficult it is to make the right decision and make a lot of money. When you start trading with the money, with the big money, which are what we term whales in the game, okay, this is a whale. The only way you get a candle to look this big twice, one down here, one up there, is you gotta have money. And this is what they're doing, man. They're pulling everybody's money into one trade, one 4-hour trade. Boom, 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 boom. They don't do it all at once. They do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they get it up. Right here. Here's the same thing. Look at this right here. Here's the opposite of what we're looking at right here. Do I gotta draw what do I gotta draw? A square? I gotta draw a square around that? I might as well, since I'm making a video about this, kind of like looking at things that I'm being alerted to late in the game, though. Come on. But this is the only way you learn, right? I'm using $100 with about, with a leverage of like $2,000, to every 100. So what's the leverage on that? $100 times what? 20 times leverage. So I'm kind of like, if I do lose out, I lose $100. So that's not significant for me. So to learn this stuff right here is crucial. No, I do not want no one to know if I make money or not, because that is a bad thing. So trading from the mind of a trader. What do you see that? One, before it pulls up. Two, it breaks down. This right here, 2 green, red sandwich in the middle. 2 red, green sandwich in the middle. So if you see this pattern, wouldn't you buy it before? Look, it's turning green before it just blows you out the water. If you went long right here on this green candle, you're getting blown out the water, buddy. I hate to say that, but that's what's happening to you. What we can do is we can step through this. All right, let's step through it. All right, here's the candle. All right, look, boom, it's red. Okay, we all know. What are you gonna think? What are you gonna think? I'm getting ready to buy this candle. Sure, that's what I would think. Oh, it turns green. Oh, that's a big green. It went from here all the way back up here, so it's gonna go back down. It's going to continue to go down. This is in the downtrend. This is how you think. And then what happens is, boom, it turned red. You stay short and pow. Okay, losing every candle after that. You lost. You had to get out this trade with a loss. All right. Now, if you would have played along with these, them knowing that you're gonna think gold short right here, right? Because you're playing against people with money, and people who understand how to trade have money. Okay, they wouldn't have money if they didn't know how to trade. Think about it. They're playing you. Okay, so now look, you play with them, you got to play everybody else. So look, this is what's happening. So look, here we go. Let's get short. You get short right here? Probably not. Would you get short here? After it breaks these lows? Yeah, you get short right here. Make you a little money. Think you know how to trade. All right. Then right here, you would get out. It's going to go higher because it came from below. This is in an uptrend. This 50 is in a downtrend. This is which one is this one? I can't remember. This is a 20. All right, this is a powerful indicator. Now, what's the next candle? You would be like, oh, okay, it's good and short. Oh, it's turning green. It broke this high. You're gonna go long. That's exactly what you'll do on this candle. You'll go long on this candle, and what happens? Boom. Okay, same thing. They know everybody's gonna go long on that candle. Okay, you can't help it. You go long, and boom, they put everything against it. All right, and then it goes down. Okay, excuse me. All right, so knowing that, we trade. Knowing that, we trade. Now we're in a situation right here. I believe it's gonna go higher, but there's a green candle right here. There's a red candle sandwiched between two green candles. What are you gonna be like? Everybody's gonna go what? Long right here. I would go long right here. This is a long candle, and then it took a green candle sandwiched between two red candles, and then a long candle. Boom. All right, let's look at it that way. And we should continue higher from here, especially if we break out this zone right here, which is right here. This zone right here. All right, we got to break this. This looks like a long candle right here. And don't get me wrong. Green, red. This is not an easy call either. You know what I mean? It's like this is going down. This is going down right here. Breaks out. Does not break out. Break out, or will we break down lower? We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Cheers. It's the zigzag trend. Yeah, all right. Let's look at the 15-minute. I like looking at the 5-minute on this with the Bollinger Bands up because it touches this green, it bounces off of it every time. It touches the green right here, it bounces off. It crosses it, we're in a whole another game. It crosses it, we're heading to the upside. Okay, it crossed it, then notice that it came back and bounced explicitly off of this 50-day moving average on the 5 minutes. Okay, powerful indicator, powerful. Just from what I've been examining this shit, it just does it every time, and it just never stops. If I went and scrolled all the way back through time, man, you will find, if you did that, put this up on your screen, the 50-day on a 5-minute. You want to know if that's a 50-day or not, make sure it's 50-day length, okay, moving average, okay? Not a exponential, not an EMA, but just a normal EA right here, okay? Normal. And look at it. And look, go through history of Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin on a 5-minute with a 50-day, 50 candle moving average. And look what it does. Boom, bounced right off of that motherfucker. Boom, bounced off it again. Boom, look all the way down there. Now I just discovered this chart. I didn't learn about it. I just discovered this chart. There's all kind of charts and patterns to look at, but this is one. When I saw it, I was like, oh, unbelievable. Oh my God. It crossed above it. If it crosses through it, it will bounce from the upside off of it. You saw that? Look, it crossed from underneath it. Boom. It did not bounce. It tried to. You got to be careful when it gets close to it. So you got to know where to put your stops. So it bounce up. It's going to start bouncing from above. Boom. Look how much that bounce was. Where would you get out at? We don't really know where to get out, but we would say right when it touches and crosses back that through the 20 moving day average. That would have been a nice profit from that bounce. What is it going to do? It kind of bounces. Nope, it hugged it, and then it broke through it. So now it's bouncing from below. That's the ceiling now. Except for when it crossed through right there. Boom, we're going higher. This is where we are right now. Now, I believe if it comes back down here as a buy on 50 day, and I don't know if this holds true for every other altcoin out there on the 5 minute with the 50 day moving average, but I can bet everything's based on Bitcoin. I can put money on it if I was to make a whole video about it and just to see exactly which coins. I called out 3 coins that just were added. I don't know. Aeon is not on. That's one that's not on Binance right now. But Lunar, if I pull up Lunar, low coin count. It was just, we were just down here at like 17 earlier today. This is a 5 minute chart. So down here, man, we came all the way from down here 10 o'clock this morning. We're all the way down here at $14. Now we're up to 18 bucks. This is a low coin count. Good buying opportunity, if you ask me. It crosses from below. It bounces off of that. Bounces, hugs it. Bounce, kept bouncing. Went to the yellow, bounced up higher. How many more bounces do we got? Tell me. Let's look at Trig before I close this video out. Okay, look what we got. This is a 5 minute chart. We're just looking at the correlation. This is just been added. The only reason why I'm looking at this is because it has a low coin count and it's just been added to Binance. And we've been as high as $8. This is probably, if it goes any lower, I mean, I would love for it to come back down here. I mean, to $2. $1. This is no one's ever even talked about this coin, right? Am I right? I mean, this thing might have been out for eons. I don't even know. Let's put this thing on the go to the weekly. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 weeks. Look how it looks. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm looking at. I swear I don't know what I'm looking at. All right, here we go. This looks a little bit like where we're at right now. Let me hit auto. All right, here is the zero line right here. This is what we wish we got in at right here, okay? July, all right, March. 2017 coin right here, man. 2016 September, it went low. Let's see what's going on. These are weeks, so let's see. I I gotta get this thing to work like I want it to work. So give me a second. Here we go. This will work the way I want it to work right here. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to automatically like scale the price when I go backwards. All right, so here's where we are. This is what it's been doing. 10 cent, 3 cent. 3 cent back on what day? Let's see, May. All right, 1 cent. Now, dude, this is now. If I would have known about this, if I had the knowledge that I have now about low coin count coins, if I can just find a low coin count back at 0.006 cent, I would just go like and buy like at least $6,000 worth right here. You know how much money that turns into? If it hits $2, you'll be like a millionaire. You'll be like, that's like $2 million. You don't believe? Let's do the math. Look, watch this. Check this out. Let's say I spend $1,000. All right, times 0.01. Right, equals. All right, did I do that right or wrong? I might have did it wrong. Each coin is all right. How many coins would I get? If I spend $1,000 divided by, divided by 0.1 cent equals, I ought to get 100,000 coins. All right, let's just look at it this way. 100,000 coins. Beautiful. It goes all the way up. $5. All right. This is just $1,000, right? All right. So, my calculator. 100,000 goes to $5 and 27 cents equals. We all know that because that's easy math. But times that by 6 now. If you had $6,000 at 1 cent. It took it at least a year. All right. Let's just say from May. All right. No. What day was that? Damn, did I not get the right day in there? When it was 1 cent. We were trying to time it, right? Crucial calculations right here. Crucial. 1 cent was right here. After being at 12 cent, people would have got out. Oh, I'm selling. Fucking, I'm selling. Never again. I don't know, low coin count. Look, it was sub cents right here. So back here, November. All right, sub cents. January. All right, sub cents. We're looking at 1 cent just to be fair. 1 cent was about right here. What month? What week was this? March 6th. Okay. February. My birthday, would I have bought $6,000 worth of these coins? Damn right I would. That would have been my birthday present. And you hold out and wait for the end of the year. Push this. All right, boom. $5.28. Okay. Really simple math. Times this by 6, because this is what $1,000 would have brought you. Damn. Okay. This is what we're looking for right now. 2 years from now. And the only coin that's going to do this is the coin that has done it already, which is the coin that you're looking at. Trig. But wait till it goes down to 1 cent again. Okay. What if it never goes back down to 1 cent? I mean, how can you get 100,000 coins right now? This is how you get 100,000 coins right now. You got to spend $527,000 to get 100,000 coins right now. Okay, so think about what I'm saying to you guys. All right, we're looking for this opportunity so we can get a couple of Lambos. Now times this by 6, and then you get the money right there. $3,162,000 pie out. Now that's quick math for the channel. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, it's incredible what you can earn doing this, and we just have to find these opportunities. If you find anything, Monkins, man, you got my email. Hit me up. Let me see some low coin count. You don't know, Trig is a low coin count. Let's go look at it. Salt. Missed opportunity. Have your $1,000 stashed up. Get ready. Because I'm gonna find it. And when I find it, I'm gonna fucking put my money in it. I'm gonna let everybody put it in. Then we're gonna wait a year. All right, that's gotta have $1,000 that you can wait and hold a year instead of in your bank account. You gotta be able to do that. That's what we're on here for. All right. So let's go to Trig and see the coin count on Trig. Now I got some favorites loaded up here, so I should already have it in here. Let me see. You guys want to know how I got this right here? There is a let me go to it. There is a here it is. Where is it? Better Bitrex. That's one. Then there's the Trading View one right here. Then there is a then there is a go to what to mine. What to mine? $24 with the script. All right, so back to what I was doing. Just want to show you guys. Here it is right here. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not. Coin Market Cap enhanced. Go look for that on the on the Chrome store. Coin Market Cap enhanced. I'll take you there. I don't know if that'll take us there. It was developed by this dude named Nathan AB. Shout out Nathan AB. You know, this dude right here is, you know, pretty good. Let's see what he looks like. He looks like he's sitting and taking a crap. All right, so let me pull it up again. This is a good thing to get. Options. Let's see if it pulls it up. Nintendo. Refresh. Theme dark. The theme dark. Okay, that's not gonna work. So you guys, if you can find it on the store, like I was looking for it on the store, then go get it. That's a good thing to have. All right, because then you can have favorites, right? You can hit the star right here. And you can click on favorites right here and find your favorite stuff. And Coin Market Cap, great. And what I want to do is, in order to pull up majority of the coins, I have to go to View All. These are all my favorites. So here goes. Let's go figure out where it is. It's called Tricks. Right? I'll save it as a favorite. Not sure. Let's just go Trig, TRIG, and we'll see. Enter. Triggers. All right. Oh, I started. Yes, I did. Coin Market Cap, circulating supply. Is that going to help us? Website. This might show us. The circulating supply is not total supply. Defense system utilizing blockchain technology. Secure, anonymous, and reliable block safe technology. Stack includes telehash, decentralized VPN. So this is these are all the developers. I'm looking for something that tells me how many coins it's going to have. They're going to be, they were probably already in Las Vegas. I missed them. 100,000 Trig donation. January. All right. February. Well, I mean, what are we looking at? December. Okay, so this thing has upside potential. That's all this tells me. All right, we haven't even hit January yet. We haven't hit February yet. They still got all this growth that they're. Here's the wallet. Connect with them. I was looking for something a little bit more detailed, like the specifics on the coin. So I'm not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of here. All right, and See if we can get this to show up underneath. Let's go to all. We're gonna go to my total supply, and then we're gonna look for trig. Forget what number trig was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I'm gonna do is go to view. I'm gonna go to next 100 total supply. I don't see trig in here. Trig must be a token still. Hey. Tokens, huh? How can I see the total supply of trig? Let's go type TRIG. I know that this is not the way to get the total supply of trig up. Second resource. Come on, Bitcoin, break out of this range right here. Where is the range at? Is it up here? It's right here. It has to break out of this range, right? This $1,300. Gotta break it. Get up, get out of there, break it. What is this one? Why is it showing me that shit? Okay, go down here. We're down all the way back down to 12.8. All right, so let that tell you something that we don't really know. Okay, where the hell we're headed right now. Excuse me. All right, so here we go. Now, back to what I was doing. I'm gonna look for this trig coin. TRIG, and we want to get the coin count, the real coin count. Analysis. Rank is 101. $5 up. It's been down in the last 24 hours, 13%. Possibly it's been up 0.69 in the last hour. Got 3. Market cap is about 173 million. So if it gets to $1 billion, you might get some good money potential. You know how much money you want to put in this. So I click on analysis. Now I click on, let's see, Google search trends first. I rarely show this, but you can go to see what searches, who's searching, what part of the country, how many searches. Look at this right here. Australia, America, 75. We got some. India, 36. Brazil, no one's in Brazil. 100 in Africa, got the highest. South Africa is no joke. Over here in Canada, where's Asia at? I guess Asia, you know, they got a firewall, so you can't really see in Japanese. You know, only Russia, only 5. Can't believe it. All right, so they've been searching. Now let's go to coin facts and figures. And first introduced, price was 2 cents. Wish I was there. Wish I was even trading. I don't even think I was in crypto. I was in Bitcoin. I wasn't in altcoins like that, so I didn't even know. I was basically, I bought me some Monero and I bought some Litecoin, and I was trying to buy some Dash, and I just don't know. I forgot about it, and I had just let that shit sit there. I bought them for like $10 each. I just bought 1 coin each. I was like, yeah, let's see what this does. So altcoin is not nothing. Oh man, what is wrong with me? I should have bought like thousands of them. All right, check it out. Anybody typing to me? Okay, nobody's probably watching me right now. That's okay. You'll come back and watch this later. Now look, how many minutes we got? 44. I'm gonna end this on the 45th minute. Oh, I got 2 people watching right now. Oh, what's up? What's up? Who's out there? Let me know. Anyway, check it out. I don't even know how accurate this thing is. It says 2 people watching. I probably got more than that. All right, so if you watch, I mean, it'd be nice if you guys type something into the live chat. Just let me know you're watching, because I don't know. It's sometimes it says 0, and then I look at the live chat, and it'll be like, you know, 4 or 5 messages. I'm like, wow. So it's not that accurate. And I know there's lag time, so understand that too. Now we're looking at coin count, and look, total supply 0. Can't even get the coin count on here, so I'm skeptical. I'm skeptical. All right, foundation, block safe foundation. Let's check out block safe foundation. Phone number can't be traced. Alexia traffic, Slack. Where could I get the coin count on this damn coin? In this video. Karen Lamb, nope, just only me. Karen Lamb, LOL. Kenny Lamb, I'm sorry, Kenny. What's up, Kenny? What's up, bro? All right, defense system. We need to learn more. Let's click that. Guns, great. Coin count. White paper. A lot of people don't even read the white paper, man. That's crazy. It'd be like 8 pages. It is introduction. Can y'all see coin count? Just a coin count section. Consistence. Decentralized ledger tech. DLT. Stack. Examples. Roadmap. Consortium. Cases. Introduction. Abstract. Let's check out what are trigger tokens. Hey, I like this coin because it says trigger on it. You know, I like guns and shit, man. Even though I ain't, I don't even, I'm not supposed to have any, but 10 million distribution, 100 million tokens. Not bad. Distribute as follows: 10 million for development. Okay, that's understandable. Marketing 10 million. Now that probably is skeptical. Founders, now that another 10. That's 30 million coins going to the development team. Okay, let's just look at that. They're getting 30 million off top. Locked with foundation. Then they locking up what's this? What number is that? 2 million. They're locking up 2.7 million. All right, get locked up with the foundation. All right. What the hell is this? Foundation 40 million? I guess that's us. We're the foundation. They're ERC tokens. Triggers are ERC tokens. They may later be exchanged with ERC 223 tokens. A development which is still in the unveil at Coin Agenda, Las Vegas. I'm in Vegas. I gotta support this coin. That's crazy. All right, it's $5. Damn thing is still looks like it's not a. See if I can get a wallet first. Let's see. Wallets. Let's go there. Hey man, we recommend India Square Wallet. Indy Square Wallet. Never heard of it. The power of counterparty in your pocket. That's basically Bitcoin. What the real Bitcoin is like saying counterparty. That's interesting. That's like some ISIS shit. But I'm not gonna even say that's ISIS because I don't know. Counterpart. I don't really know what that means. Definition not even found in the dictionary. What the? Counterparty is a financial platform for creating peer-to-peer financial applications on the Bitcoin blockchain. The protocol specification and all counterparty software is open source. Okay, Python, JavaScript. Coin market cap counterparty. Let's go check them out. Look at their coin circulating. All right, I'm gonna click on this XCP. I've been seeing this coin, this counterparty coin, $32 already. Fucking man, we fucking missing out. All right, I clicked it anyway. We're missing out. We trying to get $6,000 worth of sub-cent coins. Feel me? It's trading on Binance. Yes, triggers. Okay, Kenny Lam, you know what's up, huh? What's up? What are your predictions for Bitcoin on January 1st? That is a good question. That is a very good question. That is a very good question. All right, counterparty. 2 million coins, huh? Coin market cap. Favorite. No counterparty in here. We go to next 100. Counterparty, there we go, baby. There goes triggers all of a sudden. All of a sudden, there goes triggers. All right, so let me get into my my total supply. Okay. All right, we got click next, total supply. Come on, triggers. Come on. Oh man, counterparty's in there. So total supply for counterparty is pretty low. That's a low coin. I only want to see low coin counts in here. You know what I'm saying? Like 13. Look at this one. 13 million, 14 million. Look at this. 2 million. Counterparty, 2 million. The market cap on counterparty is unbelievable at $32. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Is it worth? I mean, if anything gets in the counterparty, if any money actually gets funneled that direction, any other coin, you can see great upside potential. This thing could double at 160 million. This price will double on your eyes. Look at a coin count on there. I mean, one coin could easily, with $1 billion in it. I gotta do a spreadsheet on this so we can just put total supply in and then look at what the price of the coin will do with different market caps in there. All right, I already got one, but I'm gonna make a professional looking one. All right, and I'm gonna distribute it. All right, 10 minutes left. It's an hour program now. Let's look at Bitcoin. Wait a minute, I didn't see Obsidian. Look at this. Total supply right there. I figured it out, guys. I don't know where Trigger is at, but Trigger is not coin yet. It's a token. So I'll have to go under tokens. Like if I go to coins and hit, let me hit, I don't know what the hell. All right, let's go to coins, right? Let's go to all top 100. Full list. Look. Favorites only. All right. Where's my favorite only check off? Now, triggers is right here. I clicked all. The triggers is on here. So I believe triggers is a token. So if I click on triggers, it says token right here. It says token. Circulating supply. Volume. Where is it trading? Binance. I know it's on Binance. I'm the one that, you know, I called it out. There's another coin too we're gonna go look at right now called Loonier. Full list. AltCoin. On list. Loonier. This is my favorite list right here. Just so y'all know, I got some favorites. Loonier is above Obsidian, which is another thing we're gonna take a look at. I'm trying to get this circulating supply to look a lot more like a, but you can't do that. All right, so let's just click on the damn thing and look at Loonier. It's at $18 right now. Total supply is only 2 million. Now, if I'd have got that coin at 1 cent, this is another one, you know. This is another one of those coins. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get out of here. Looking at the price of Bitcoin go back into the 12 underneath water. To me, that's underneath water, but to everybody else, I don't know. I'm long, so you know, can't help my bias is just killing me right now too, because it's actually getting like shorted by who knows what money, whose money, who would short this thing right now. Tell me, somebody please tell me, who the hell is it? Point them out. Point them out. Waves has a trading competition. I gotta go look at Waves now. I don't know what the coin count is on Waves. Before I end this thing out, let's take 5 minutes and look at Waves. Boom. Salt token market. All right. I've been meaning to take a look at Waves. 100 million circulating supply. TideX. It's got the most volume on TideX. All right, so let me click. It's a coin, so this is going to work. Click on all, and I click on coins. I go market cap by total supply. Hit next. No, Waves is right there. I just saw it. Counterparty. 2 million, 13 million. This is total supply right here. Obsidian has 94.60 cents. Obsidian is a good token to purchase right now. And Aeon is a good token to purchase right now, but Obsidian is looking really good for some reason. Even though it's only pulled back 12%. This is pulled back 18%. Let's go back to the previous. Total supply shows up, and we got Waves. 100, not bad. What's the price? $12. Okay, pullback. The pullback is on. Now this coin right here, I put this in there because it's a high coin. It's a coin with a high coin count. It's a high supply. Has a very high supply. So this is like 183 billion. Isn't that like crazy? Total supply. Look what it outdoes Ripple. All right, Ripple has 100 million, but they burn the coins because they know that they out of line for such a high ass coin. It's pulled back 18%. This damn thing is at $2 still. Bitcoin pulled back 4%. Look at look at all that money that came out of Ripple. It was just at 22. It had 20. It was above Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay. That said, that was an alarm telling me that Bitcoin, all right, Bcash is down about $100, right, from $2,333 down to $2,300 down to $2,200. That's about 3%. That's not 3%. If you're playing with $1,000, man, these coins can make you a lot of money. I gotta really start investing in just altcoins with 1,000. That's my next move for every new video. I'm gonna start using, because I mean 3% up and down all day, right? That's $30 up on an up move. That's $30 down on a down move. All right. So what you do is, as it fluctuates, you just wait till it goes up and then sell it. I mean, get your $30, move on to a different coin. You have Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoins in an uptrend. What's $30? That's pretty good. I mean, every couple of hours, every 30 minutes, I mean, the shit will move 33% easily. You might have to start playing it like that just to accumulate some coins and accumulate some dough. I'm always trying to home run it, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do little things like little baby steps right now. But when you do baby steps, you can do baby steps with $1,000. You can't take $100, right, and put it on BitMEX. All right, and then put the leverage on 25 times, and then get stomped out a bunch of times, because before it goes up, it'll go down, and before it goes down, it'll go up. Before it goes down where you thought it was going, right? And you'll get stopped out. Basically, you'll get a stop out is basically when they hit your stop loss. And if you don't set a stop loss, they're going to hit your liquidity, which will stop you out, because you're using borrowed money, and nobody wants to give you no money without setting a stop loss for you. And they will set the stop loss for you. It's called liquidation price. That's where they will stop your ass out. Get stopped out. I got stopped out a bunch of damn times. It's crazy. It's unfathomable. Before I can make a profit, I get stopped out on my own stop losses. And I'm like, well, I don't want to get stopped out on my own stop losses no more. So I take them off, and then I get stopped out on the lender's stop loss, which is called liquidation. The liquidation price. $100 gone. Just like that, thin air. Well, I only trade with my mind, with what I'm mining anyway, so I could tell you it came out of thin air, but it didn't cost me what? $2 a day. All right. Yeah. That's power cost. Not let alone the actual investment of $2,000. All right, I'm signing out. Waves. That's a buy. That's a keeper. When to buy? Probably right now. Where was it at? Let's go check it out. Let's see where Waves has been. Look at the history here. We got a market cap of $1 million in there. I mean, $1.2 billion. Wow. $11 with $1.2 billion in there. Can't believe they got $1 billion up in there. Hit this. It'll pull it up. Interactive chart. Calculated by TradingView. It's $11.60. Here's the chart. Look at that. Will it come back down to the $5 range? I think so. I think so. So buy around $5 range if you can't get it any lower than that. What about red blocks? This is Waves over here on this side of the chart. Spending $8 is a week. Go to the 4 hour. Go to the day. Okay, today's been a negative day. I mean, yesterday's been a negative day. This is the new day, so this is like the 31st, even though it's the 30th. So today it's been negative. 4 hour chart. Boom, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. This looks like buy signal right here. This candle right here, but it turned into a negative. This is the 4 hour 240. We're looking for a buy down here on this 50-day moving average. It looks like it is bouncing off of the 20 pretty consistently. If it breaks there, then I would get right here. So I would buy right here and put a stop right here, stop order right there if you don't want to hold your bag, you know. It goes up to like 10. You probably double your money, triple it if it goes to 3. You know, if it, you wouldn't want this thing to go to 300. Basically, that's what I would do. When it goes to 300, I'll sell it. Will it do that? It's called, this is Trig. This is not Waves. What happened to Waves? Oh man, I'm looking at Trig. I'm doing analysis on Trig. What happened to Waves, man? Come on now, man. Get your shit together. Get it together, baby. Get it together. WAVE. Binance right here. Boom, 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 boom. Binance. All right, let's look at the calculation given to us from TradingView. And click this. Now we talking. Now we're talking. All right, let's look. It's underneath, going down. That's what that means. Where will they buy it is the question. Next, it already broke this green line right here, so this is a sell opportunity at the yellow line. It broke the yellow line. I'm sorry, which is the 100 period moving average, 100 candle moving average. Broke it, so it's probably gonna go back up to it. If it doesn't cross it, completely cross it, with all its other moving averages, it's going down. So that's a good thing. I mean, because if you believe in this waves thing, I would get it and buy it and hold it somewhere down here. If it ever goes back down there, it could possibly hit this low again right here at $8. It's $11. We don't know how low this thing can go. Just like we don't know how low Bitcoin's going. It looks like it's trending with Bitcoin. It's just the way it looks. But Bitcoin is over here. 260. All right, 240. All right, what's this? 60. I think I messed up. I was supposed to put 240. 242. All right, same thing, right? All right, look. These are like some, like, I don't know. When I see candles that look like this over here on waves, I think bots. I don't know why. It just looks weird that this has these very long moves. But it could very well be just be the tightness of dollars and the amount of money that pushes it up and down at one time. You know, they just got some big monies up in here. I would say that. I would say that's some money up in there, making it move up and down like that. It doesn't take that much money for this candle to go up and then go all the way back down and go all the way back up and go all the way back down. So I would try to get in down here somewhere. This thing goes all the way back down here. That'll be lovely. That's a buy if it's any lower than where it's at. It's a buy where it's at, tell you the truth, because it's a low coin count. But if you know, like me, anything lower or low, if I can find a 1 cent low coin count right now, please, somebody, please. Kenny Lau, do you know a low coin count that's under 1 cent right now, or just 1 cent, or just around 1 to 2 cents, 3 cents? Anybody? Is there anyone else on them? Like, can you type something and just be like, hey, I found one? You know, I can do a video about it so we can buy it. I need something like, I gotta do my thorough research. When I next coin I find, I swear to God, I ain't gonna post nothing about any coin unless it's a low coin count and it's around less than $1. All right, and I'm probably gonna buy it on the video, which I don't never do. I don't never show anybody. I used to, I did before, but those were, you know, those were like small buys. But I mean, like, sometimes I do that, just, you know, and I look at my portfolio and see if I was right about it or not. And it's funny that I'm always right. It seems like the coin goes up right after I buy it. Tron TRX. I said, okay, Kenny. I said low coin count. Tron. Let me show you. Let me show you something about Tron. Is that a low coin count? I know it's hard to figure this stuff out on without. Use the cryptocurrency market capitalization website. That's Coin Market Cap. Go get the indicator I showed you earlier in this video. You'll watch it. The indicator is Coin Market Cap enhanced, and that's what you're looking at. It allows you to click and make favorites and star your favorite coin right here, and you show only your favorites. Now, Tron is one of my favorite coins. I put it in here just to track it. It's not. I don't like it, but I'm tracking it. I know that Binance. I know that. I think it's Tron a token. Let's go to all. Full list. TRX is Tron. Yeah, I must have took it off because I was so mad about it, huh? All right. Yeah, I took it off. Now, total supply 100 billion. 100 billion? They already got billions in it. Look, 2.3 billion in it. The coin is under 3 cents. I know that looks like one of the best buys you can get, but that coin will never get All right, don't. I said that about Ripple, I know. But Ripple got to $1. Ripple got to $2. All right. That's what we're doing. So we're going to be on the lookout. Under a cent, there are none. Okay. We're looking. There are some. It got to be one. We got to look at every single last coin. Where the hell can I get a coin filter at? I'll be on the lookout for that application. I'm pretty sure there's one out there. So I'm going to end this right now. All right. You guys enjoy your New Year's and take care.